Hello YouTube family, thank you for joining me today. I have a Dollar Tree haul video for you guys. I went to Dollar Tree and I picked out quite a few stuff for summer for my kids. So my kids are staying home for summer and I wanted to have arts and crafts sort of activity kind of things stocked up so that, I can keep them busy for a while. So let's get started. I want to actually start with some food items first that I get from Dollar Tree on a regular basis. First thing are these Flitz milk chocolate covered pretzels. For some reason, I can only find these at Dollar Tree or any kind of like the chocolate covered pretzels. I only find them there. So I got 4 of those. And then I got these crackers. These come in a 6-pack. My kids don't like the Ritz crackers, but they somehow like these crackers. So that's what I got, a pack of that. And then going into our crafty, kids craft stuff. So I got these dollhouse activity kits. So we have a few Barbie dolls and other dolls, and I thought maybe this would be a great idea to kind of have them put together a little living space, cardboard living space for their dolls and play that way. So I got 2 of those. And then this guy right here was all broken apart, but the packaging itself was good inside. So I got this box of puzzle pieces. There's 24 pieces, and this was for 50 cents since the box was broken. And my little one, who's 3 years old, loves to do the puzzles. And then let's see, I got a molding clay. They love making stuff with the clay, so I got one of those. And then I have the little cutter and like the stuff that you shape the clay with, so they'll have fun with that. And then the next couple things I got are the temporary tattoos. Use these as a reward so that if she has like a good day, she listens to you most of the day. I like to reward her with these temporary tattoos. And then I got the little sun catchers. I try to get 2 of each thing, which looks like I only got 1. Oh no, here's the other sun catcher. So it's pretty much the same thing. 2 sun catcher paint set, and it's got the little rocket with a little doggy inside. So it'll be fun for them to paint and hang them on the window or something. And then I got these other I've never bought these before. I don't know if they're new, but it's got the little Stitch figure, vinyl figure, and there's 3 markers inside of it that you can paint or color. So I got one in Moana vinyl, and then the other one is Stitch. So hopefully they will not fight over one or the other. And then the next thing I got is this little race car maker, and there's 2 of those. And so I'm hoping they'll like build it and then paint them. That should keep them busy for a while. And then I bought just a regular set of watercolors just for them to paint whatever they want. And for myself, for my own craft, or actually one more thing. Then I got these construction blocks, they're called, but they look like Legos, and it does say compatible fits all leading brands, so I'm guessing it kind of works with Legos as well. And there's like 2 different actually there's more, there's probably like 4 buildings, but we got 2 of these, and my kids do love doing Legos, so we'll see how these ones work, because I've never bought them at Dollar Tree before, so we'll see. So the stuff that I bought for myself are these baker's twine. I can see myself using these a lot in my paper crafting, with embellishing little things. And then I got myself a larger paper clips, which, I can make all kinds of things with paper clips there. And then I got this confetti, it's called. It's 2 ounce weight, and there's a ton of like little stars, heart-shaped, and then the unicorns. And this was actually, it says $1.25, but they only charged me 50 cents for this. So then I was like, geez, I should have bought one more. But what I like to do with these is I have a lot of little girls in my life, and we've been making a lot of bookmarks, like these little shaker bookmarks. And then what I do is punch their names on the bookmark and then make it a little shaker bookmarks like these. And they really get tickled by seeing their names on the bookmark and like little things that they can shake. So I want to add these to that. I thought would be fun as well. And so that's what I got this for. But I can definitely use these like embellishing my regular paper craft as well, the hearts and the star shaped. And I can even like embellish a little toothpick with it and things like that. So actually, let's open it and see what other shapes there are, because I'm really curious to see what else I can do with this. And there's a ton of this. So it's almost like ephemera. Okay, so there's little rainbows. Oh, and the print is double-sided, so that's really awesome. I can hang this with like even my twine into, you know, if I'm doing some kind of a paper craft. So we have rainbows, hearts, stars. What else? And then the unicorn, I think. Those are and there's something else. Oh, have a magical day. A little word sentiment. And I can definitely use this on even like a card or something. So that's why I thought this was a really good deal. If you guys want to go stop by at your Dollar Tree and see if you have these. And I was looking for like other themes, like if they had it in different colors or package like that. Oh, this heart is a little odd shaped. And then this one is not. Oh, this is a damaged piece. So I guess there is a little bit of, let's see. Okay, it's just two different, let's see. Okay, so the heart, there are two different sizes of heart and two different sizes of stars, but just a few damaged pieces, I noticed. And then the heart isn't like a nice regular shaped heart. It's like a little wonky shaped, like it's not straight. I guess, which is still okay. It's still, I mean, it's still usable, but just so that you know, there's like some damaged pieces. So, and then the last thing I got was these peel and stick wallpapers. So I like to kind of stock up on these things because they're very useful and handy, even on my paper crafting, and then like sticking them around the house also. But what I have been doing with these lately are covering these, you know, those grocery boxes, like your cereal, your pasta boxes. So what I do is I cover those boxes, and let me zoom out a little. So I cover those boxes with this wallpaper, and then it can become a really nice storage little, you know, boxes. Right now, one of these is holding my bookmarks that I've made. So like I also decorate the back of this. I was going to use this for something else. I was actually going to use this to gift someone, like put the little filler in the bottom and then put the gifts in there and then like cover it with a cello bag. Would look really put together too. So that's what I had this planned for initially, but then the things that we wanted to put in there didn't fit. So we had to use a different box. But so this one I'm storing our bookmarks for now. But like if you put a nice little printed paper in the back and then cover the front and back with this wallpaper, it looks so cute. And you can use this to store you know, your craft supplies, your finished products, and it just looks very cute, I think. So that's what I got from Dollar Tree this time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye for now.